Hi, this is Greg, the Grech RV guy here, Mountain Lux RV in Colorado. Brand new from Grech RV, the new twin bed floor plan now available on both the 19-foot Turismo and the 22-foot Terreno model. We've got the new floor plan here today on the shorter model, the Turismo. I can't wait to show you guys. Let's check it out. We're here at the back of the Grech RV Turismo. This model is about 19.5 feet long. It's the smallest Grech RV. It's your get anywhere, park anywhere B van, and it's in the new twin bed floor plan. As you can see here, the biggest benefit of the new floor plan is the clearance in the center aisle from the front to the back of the van. This is very helpful for the storage of certain longer items like fishing rods and skis. This also gives a little bit more space for moving around in the back of the van. There are no passenger seat belts in the back of this floor plan, but the twin bed sofas do come down and make one large bed in the back with just the push of a button on the Firefly system. When you're laying down in the bed, your feet tuck underneath the cabinet space, so when the bed is down, there's no difference in this twin bed floor plan and the tour floor plan on the Turismo. Other than this change in the sofa beds, this van has all the same great features that the Turismo has to offer, including the entertainment system, kitchenette, wet bath, and solar. This particular unit has the Ion package as well as all-wheel drive, and of course built on the Mercedes Sprinter 2500 XD chassis. That concludes our tour of the new Turismo twin bed floor plan. We'd love to show you more detail here in person at Mountain Lux RV. Again, I'm Greg, the Grech RV guy. I know what you're thinking. That's a lot of G's. Thank you for watching.